You all know how I love to do comparisons. Comparisons make an informed buyer, right? So today we're going to take a look at 4 different short, wavy, shattered bob style cuts from 4 different brands, 4 different price points and colors coming up. So this style right here is the one that inspired me to do this comparison. This is the brand new Rene of Paris's Joss in the color White Rose Blonde R. And I love the style, I love the color. If you've seen the review, you know this style gets a 5 stars from me in terms of value, quality, wearability, and style. So when I put this on, I immediately thought of one and then several other styles. But the first one we're going to take a look at and compare is Trend by TRessallure. I think this was new in 2023. Trend in 613-1001-R18. The big important thing to know with Trend is it does have that 4-inch bang area. It's about the same length as the Joss here, but it lacks that A-line cut. I mean, there's some bluntness back there, but not a wedge like Joss has here. And this one is also heat friendly, just like Joss, but this one features a lace front and full monofilament top. And yes, you guessed it, that really drives up the price. And is it really necessary for good coverage and a realistic look? I don't think so. I think that with a style with bangs and ample wefting is going to give you the same amount of coverage and realism that something this expensive can do. So this is Trend by TRessallure. The next one we're going to compare is by Aesthetica. Aesthetica Winter in the color Silver Sun RT8. This is a silver blonde with some specks of sandiness and a medium root, and you can definitely see that it is cooler compared to this creamy toned white blonde here on the White Rose Blonde. Now, the Aesthetica Winter has a lace front left monofilament side part. So again, we're looking at a higher price tag. This style is more in line with this Joss because it's more of an angled look. It does have a stacked back, a shattered wave, and a smooth front. However, it does not have a fringe, a short fringe. This fringe is probably 6 to 6.5 inches. And I didn't check the specs, but they're longer. And you really can't consider that a bang. This Joss has this beautiful undercut, heavily layered butterfly bang. Love it, love it. So we're gonna compare this one in our side-by-side, and then I have one more to put into this comparison. We're gonna compare BALE Tress's Morning Storm, shown here in Tres Leches Blonde, okay? An A-line cut, kind of a shattered wave, and this one features a 4-inch bang as well. Now I have trimmed those bangs a little bit to be fair, because I wear them straight down. I did do a little bit of trimming, very minor, but there are some differences here. Also, this is a lace front left monofilament side part, which makes it a higher price point. It's also heat friendly fiber, which is the same as Joss and the same as the TRessallure Trend. So this is a nice undercut bang, but it does not feather back into the style. So an undercut bang, these longer layers on the top kind of overlap them and hide the edge of the bang. And while that frames the face beautifully, you're not getting that feathered back look that you can get here on Joss. I created that feathery look on Trend. It was very difficult to do because it was very stiff out of the box. And then on Winter, you really can't have a bang at all on that one unless you trim it in. So let's do our side-by-side comparison of these and let me know in the comments below which is your favorite. Talk to you soon, right back here at TAZS's Wig Closet.